This morning I received a package from my new friend TJ over at Cirkul. He came across the content a couple of weeks ago and reached out wanting to support. So he sent me over a few things to try out and show you guys, and I'll let you know how I like them. A little note from TJ. Thank you, man. That means so much. Right here we've got our Cirkul water bottle. We've got 2 flavors to try out. We've got blue raspberry and fruit punch. I'm gonna put that back on. I'm gonna put this on. So we've got the pod all secured. If you look here at the top, we've got a little dial that lets you choose like how intense you want the flavor to be. Wow, that's actually really good. It kind of reminds me of Propel, if I'm being honest, but it is really good. I really like that. At 5, it was really strong. Okay. At a 2, it's a lot more mellow. With it that low, like you still get some of the flavor, but it's not as strong as it is with a 5. Try out 10. Wow, a little too much for me personally. The 5 is really solid if you want something flavorful. Let's try the fruit punch one. That is also really good. I don't usually love fruit punch flavors. I kind of enjoy this. 5 is a little bit strong just for like my personal preference. Let's try out 3 on this one. Yeah, that's really good. I really like that at like a 3. Let's give it a try at a 10. Yep, that's fruit punch. Sure is. Okay. Overall, I actually really enjoy these 2 flavors. Definitely have to try out some of the other flavors, see how they compare, and also just to get some variety going. I will say this does seem like a really useful and helpful tool for weight loss. As far as I know, all of the flavors are 0 calorie. The 2 that I tried taste great. The only thing that you really have to worry about is they do have sucralose in them, and I think maybe a couple of other different sweeteners. Just make sure to look into it first before you try it, because if you do respond any specific type of way to those sweeteners, you might want to stay away from this. As a whole, I think that this is a great product. I'll definitely be trying out some of the other flavors, and I have a feeling I'll be using this a lot.